Hey, how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw the Lorax, from the Dr. Seuss book. That's pretty much it. It's gonna be simple and for beginners. And yeah, let's jump right into it. First thing I do is I am going to draw kind of a line here real quick. Small line. He's gonna have a round head, so I'm gonna draw a small line on this side, thinking. But I want to draw his eyebrows. Gonna go over here, draw another line, but it's gonna be the bottom of an eyebrow on this side, bottom of an eyebrow on this side, and it's gonna have a zigzag here on one side, over here as well, zigzag over here. So remember, these are eyebrows we're drawing. Curve, curve. Then I'm gonna go to the middle of the head and merge that, right? So he's got that round part of the head with eyebrows. Cool. Gonna go into the eyes, which are basically like a circle here on this side. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like Dr. Seuss. Absolutely hit the like. Likes are what fuel the channel, and it helps so much. And then over here on this side, same thing, another circle. All right. Line over here for an eyelid. It's kind of at an angle. Line over here for an eyelid. And curve line here for, well, not even curve, it's just like a circle here for the eye and circle here for the other eye. Well, it's like a dot, right? It's a dot part of the eye. Go to the bottom here, circle. And now we're gonna draw the giant mustache, which is kind of what the Lorax is known for. So I'm gonna go from the nose, touching the eye over here, out, over here, out, zigzag, zigzag here, zigzag. Just gonna keep drawing this zigzag here. It's gonna be all the way across. See how like there's just like a bunch of triangular shapes. Like so. So they kind of catch the end of it over here. Line up. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a curved line here for the tongue sticking out. Curved line here and line, a really small line in the middle. Okay. Let's go over here, maybe around this side of the mustache. I'm going to pull a line out over here, down for one arm. Go over here, pull out, down for the other arm. He's going to have the arms kind of sticking out a little bit. Over here, I'm going to find the underside of the arm here. Draw a line here. Over on this side, draw an arm here. Going to go over here on this side, pull down this side of the arm. Over here on this side, down this side of the arm. And now I'm going to draw the hand. So curve down, up, down, up. He's got almost like these pointed fingers, and then he's gonna have a thumb pointed out the side. Over here as well, thumb pointed out the side. Pointed fingers. You could draw like 3 on them if you want, but I'll draw 2. And now we're gonna find his body. So we start at the armpit over here on this side, and go down, zigzag. Right here. Zigzag down and curve in. Over here on this side, same thing. Zigzag because it makes it look like he's, furry. Okay. Over here on this side, pull down, in. Over here, its knee's a little bent. It's gonna be for the leg. Okay. Straight across. Out over here, down for the other leg. like the inside of the leg, out over here, down for that one. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out over here for the foot, and the foot will have a little zigzag too because it's kind of furry. And then curve the heel back into that foot. Let's go here to this side, pull out, zigzag a little bit for the furriness. Down over here, curve out. All right. And what we can do is we can draw like, you know, a couple of thinner lines here along the arm, like straight line here, so that there's it looks like it's fur, you know, maybe along the leg here. Same thing here. Like just usually they're thinner lines because you want it to be detail oriented. Maybe a thin line here so on the mustache. So that's kind of the way it is. You want it to look like he's like furry character, so which is what he is. So maybe draw a couple of thin lines randomly around, just here and there. Nothing too wild. Don't fill it up or anything like that. And that's it. That's the Lorax. You could always thicken the lines out here. I know my marker is kind of dying, so sometimes I have to trace over my own line here. But that's it. If you enjoyed that, please hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stick around for the announcements, and I'll talk to you very soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.